Hello, mathematicians. I saw some great math you did yesterday from working with Mrs. Bjorkman. I hope you liked playing that game. This week is our last week in chapter 2. 2 chapters already. Can you believe it? So smart you are. So we're going to have, just like last time in chapter 1, but you might not remember, we're going to have a show what you know day one time, and then there will be another show what you know day later this week. So this one's a really short show what you know day. So you are going to need page 89 from your workbook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and tell you the jobs. And what you can do is you can either pause me after I tell you each job for each part and keep going, or you can listen to all the jobs and then go back and do them. I would probably pause me if I were you, just saying. All right, so you should be looking at this page. The first thing you want to do is make sure you put your name on top, right? Put that name on top. All right. There's an apple with a number 1, right? Next to number 1, this is a domino. I don't know if you've ever played dominoes, but these are dominoes. You're going to count the dots on each side. So see, there's a line in the middle. You're going to count the dots on this side, and you're going to count the dots on this side. And you're going to write each of those numbers in these spaces. And then you're going to circle the greater number and cross off the one that is less. All right, and then, so when you press pause, come back when you're done with that. Write the numbers, circle the one that's greater, cross off the one that's less. All right, number 2, your next job. We have a tic-tac-toe board. I don't know if you've ever played that before. It's kind of fun. The X's are already on. Your job is to draw O's on the game board so that the number of O's is greater than the number of X's. You might draw lines to prove it to make sure, right? So you need to know how many X's, how many O's, and you should write each number, circle the one that's greater, cross off the one that's less. Get out of here, you're not enough. All right. If you didn't press pause so you can draw your O's, count and write and circle and cross off. And you can always rewind if you forget one of the jobs. Okay, number 3. You're going to write each number that you see on these. So you're going to write, and then you are going to circle the numbers that are equal. So you're going to circle the ones that are equal and cross off the one that is not. Okay. That's it. Short job today. Easy peasy math. You can take a picture of it and send it to Mrs. Torres, and we'll talk a little bit about this game. Off you go.